2-3 years, and they perfectly understand what it demands to be successful here.
History has been made at the Gabba, led by Ajinkya Rahane. Team India created history on Tuesday by becoming the first team in 32 years to beat Australia in a test at the Gabba in Brisbane. Bowling coach Bharat Arun explained how they made the Australian batsmen struggle by their bowling at the straight line. He said, "Ravi Shastri called me sometime in July and said we need to take the offside out of the Australians. We had our own analysis and we felt that most of the runs that Steve Smith and Marnus Labuschagne scored were because of cut, pull and on the offside. We took cue from the New Zealand attack. When they bowled to Smith, they just attacked his body and he felt very uncomfortable."
See, fearlessness, you fear when you have certain goals and you're only thinking of the outcome, okay? And if you do not have the process in place, then there is an element of fear. Or you do not want to lose games, okay, you want to play it safe. So we as a team, that's exactly what Ravi Shastri and Virat Kohli have been insisting with this team. We don't mind losing. Even after the Adelaide test match, yes, we need to learn to get over it. But what Ravi Shastri said to the team is, I don't even mind us losing 4-0. But we are known for the brand of cricket that we play. That should never change. We should never get conservative, and we should always look to be more positive. That is the message that has gone to this team. So this team is, even had we lost in Australia, that's not going to deter the way we play again, with the way we play cricket. But again, that paid very rich dividends, because I think the last test match that they played is the testimony to what is the attitude of the boys. They were asked to go and express themselves and take it as it comes and see where we are at tea and then take a call. But the way Rishabh Pant and Washington Sundar at that point of time played, and not forgetting the bravado which Cheteshwar Pujara showed on that day. He was like a warrior, taking a lot of blows, but he was there undeterred. And what these two boys on their own have done on the last day of the test match is taking the fight into the Aussie and not being afraid to, they were not thinking about drawing the match. They were thinking of how to win from here. And that takes a lot of courage. That is what I call fearlessness. Yes, sometimes you're bound to lose a game, but those kind of games are going to teach you some invaluable lessons, which is going to make you a much better cricketer in the future. I think that's a very, very interesting question, because I think Ravi Shastri called me sometime in July, and when we were discussing the Australian tour, he said that we need to take the offside out of the Australians. So we had our own analysis, and then we felt that most of the runs that Steve Smith and Labuschagne got, and most of the Australians, they had got a lot of runs out of the cut, the pull, and on the off. So we said now, even we took a cue out of the New Zealand attack when they bowled to Steve Smith. They had attacked more of his body line, and he had felt very, very uncomfortable at that point of time. So the plan, Ravi called me up and said, I want you to make a plan so that where you eliminate the offside for the Australians. So then we sat about and planned the whole thing. And therein lies, we said, we are going to attack more straighter lines and have onside field. So it is very difficult for batsmen to be consistently clearing the onside fields. And so that really worked for us. The thought process of it started sometime in July. And then when we had a discussion with the, first was Virat bought into the theory. We employed that same strategy in Adelaide. And then Ajinkya was magnificent from Melbourne onwards. And the bowlers responded beautifully to that. See, actually, the Australian tour itself is a great challenge that any past cricketer who's toured Australia, or any of you watching, would know that it's probably one of the most challenging tours. And especially during this COVID times, I thought it was a great move by Ravi Shastri also to hold back all the bowlers who had come as net bowlers. Actually, after the one-day series, most of them were supposed to go back, but somehow we we probably thought that in case anything happens to a player, then it would be impossible for anyone to come because of the restrictions. So we said we'll manage with everyone here. And because they were with us for a long period of time, it was possible for them to understand what was demanded of what it demands to be successful in Australia and work on those very lines. So them being with us did help a great deal. See, it is not done right now. We had been planning this over the last 3 years. We said we need an excellent bench strength, because if you need India to be sustainingly doing well at international level, you need a pool of bowlers who would be rotated time and again so that they stay fresh. And for at any given point of time, any match, you would be fielding a fresh set of bowlers who are raring to go, and who are very good at the international scene. So now we are blessed with this a great bench strength. So it's very, very heartening to know that these guys have come to the party. They've been given the opportunity. They have gone on and done an excellent job for the country. I think this tour would give them the necessary confidence to do well for the country at any given point of time.